no, you're blocking. Go away. Okay, so we're at Erawan National Park. Wait, what Dangwat are we in?
Karnjanaburi.
We're in Karnjanaburi in Thailand, and we're going to like some kind of waterfall. So yeah, and we're taking a photo. So let's go to somewhere. เราจะไปไหนนะเราจะไปไหนนะเฮียเราจะไปไหนนะ Okay, we're going to a waterfall. The waterfall. กี่ชั่วโมงนะกี่ชั่วโมงนะกี่ชั่วโมงนะกี่ชั่วโมงนะกี่ชั่วโมงนะ 1 hour?
1 hour, yeah.
And we're gonna be there in 1 hour, so this will. So like it's gonna be like pretty long trip. So we're just gonna skip some. It's really pretty. There's like a lot of mountains. We never actually get to see this in Bangkok, so yeah. Okay, skip to the next scene. Bye. Go this path for some reason. And oh yeah, because this is the waterfall path. So let's go! I like hear the birds. We're fine. Shh, be quiet. Oh my god. It's so hot here though. Oh, I want to. Is this flax? Oh no, that's the willow fluff. I want to give it to my hamster, but my hamster's at home, so too bad. And yeah, and it's leading upwards. So pretty cool, you know. You should visit sometimes. But I've never actually seen what it looks like in the waterfall, so I don't. I'm talking to. Oh my god. We hear the sounds of the waterfall already, so we're gonna head this way instead of that way for some reason, because I'm just following some people. It's not really choosing my path, because my destiny brings me wherever people bring me, because I don't control my own life. That's so sad. Place. Wait, that looks actually so cool. There's a waterfall. You see it? Let me zoom in and then zoom out. And then zoom in and then zoom out. Well, that's so cool. Bruh. That's so pretty. What nature. There's not much nature in Bangkok, but like this is in Bangkok, so woohoo. We've come to this section where we see people, but I'm not going to say that because I probably don't want to be. It doesn't matter. So just check them out. Look at it, it's so pretty, right? There's this little stream thingy right there. And that beautiful place, whatever's right there. Let me just give you a better view. Oh, you see that butterfly? It's a pretty nice place, you know? Wow. Magnificence. Those are just all water. So cool, right? Also a waterfall there. Pretty nice, right? At that. I think we can swim in there, I think. Nature's calling. Found this sign and we're guessing that there's monkeys here other than me, because I'm also considered a monkey or referred to. But a pretty smart monkey, because I'm a straight Asian, not to brag, but yeah. This looks like the place in H2O, the mermaid place, the place, you know. Oh, there's a waterfall! That's so cool. Wow, this place is amazing. Whew. You look at that. Look at that! There's a waterfall. People are playing it. And it lays down here. We came to this magnificent place. And that guy, he's my cousin. And she's also my cousin. Okay, so there's the waterfall. Leads down there. Well, you probably can't see, but whatever. Pretty nice, right? Oh, that kid just fell in, whatever. There's like a lot of butterflies and everything. Pretty hot, right? But yeah. Green butterfly. That's so pretty. So cool. Guys, so we're here now, wherever we are. I think I've lost track of everyone. There's no one behind me, and I'm kind of lost here. Oh my God. Wait for me. Oh, okay. Thank God. So we're stepping in the water. There's my feet and my other feet. My other feet. That's so pretty and magnificent. Oh, I'm gonna go in. I don't care.
Go where?
In there.
Erawan pala.
There's fishies here, eh? Oh, these are fishies. Okay, so I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Oh, there's actually a lot of dirt in here. Today? Where's all the fishies? Okay, let's go find some fishies. Take a lot of them. Oh, there's fishies here. I'm gonna go in this pool. Even though it's not really called a pool. Fishies. Okay, there's no fishies here. Nice. There's fishies now. If you can see them. Oh, they're biting my feet. It doesn't hurt though. They're just biting. I mean, it doesn't hurt like biting like dog bites. There's so much on this feet. Come bite my hand. There's so many. Oh my God. That feels so good. Come bite my hand, y'all. Oh, there's one biting too. There's 2 guys biting my hand. Oh my God, 3 guys biting my hand. Oh my God, there's so many fishies. They're all so cute. Oh my God. That's so adorable, literally. I have to go now, so bye fishies. At those babies. Oh my God. We have to climb this stairs now up there. Let's go, boy. I'm just gonna do this because I have to see my steps. Oh my God. It's so steep. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Let's go, scared for my life. Oh my God. This is so scary. Ah! This step is so steep. Oh my God. Our destiny. But when you look down, oh my God, it's so scary when you look down. How are we gonna get down now? Oh, this is so scary. But it's worth it. Oh, look at these garbage. People should stop littering. My breathing is so hard. So look at this. That's so beautiful. My goodness. Look at that. Magnificence. Look at that. Look at that waterfall right there. That's so nice. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Like, no, seriously, look at that. Woo! Oh, look at that. Hey guys, so this is the next day, which I actually came back from that park already, the waterfall park, and I'm at the resort, and it's pretty cool, you know. We get to like swim in this river. I have no idea what it's called, but yeah. I don't know if that's smoke or dust or like fog or mist or something, but it's so nice here. You guys might, like, if you guys come from like another country which isn't Thailand, then you guys might think like it's not that cold, but like it's actually about 20 degrees Celsius here, and like you might not think that's actually cold, but in Thailand it's super cold if it's 20 degrees Celsius, because usually it's gonna be like 35 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius. But like in the morning here, it's like 20 degrees Celsius. It's really nice. So that's the end of this video. Bye.